Good morning, everyone. Welcome to another live session by Sliver Trades. Market was in a trap mode. Um, it pretended it's going to go up, then it came down, then it is about to go up again. So if you see 8:30 a.m., 8:30 a.m. Actually, RTY is not that bad. NQ was terrible. It gave some fake moves before picking up liquidity from the bottom, and now it's trying to go up. Let's pull NQ here. Okay, so market opened here, went up, went back and forth, picked up liquidity from here, came down, grabbed liquidity from here. Now it's going to go back up. RTY wasn't that bad, but I traded RTY a bit late. Here it opened, came down, and then went up. Now this was a good move here, though choppy, back and forth, but still, if somebody tried to short, they would have profited. Now it's picked up liquidity here and now trying to go back up. So RTY, I took a few trades this morning. Here, one trade was taken automatically, contrarian. Here, one more, and there was profit. And a good thing about this software is it waits for 3 bars before it takes the next contrarian trade. So it won't take back-to-back contrarian. And that's a good thing, because from this low, markets went back, and as soon as it went above 21 SMA, the software took a trade here, and then it waited for 3 candles before taking trade, and that's how it gets into high probability zone. When it has stretched back, then it makes sense to take trades. It won't take trades continuously. So so that's so total $140 before commissions. So RTY is Russell is what I felt like trading. NQ, I was trading a different account, and it gave me a lot of heat because of this back and forth nature. And there was some kind of news at 9 o'clock. So after that, my market fell, picked up the liquidity, and in the process, it filled the gap to some extent. Not a whole lot, not the entire gap. It opened above yesterday's close. So and I'm not trading NQ because I have this funded account, and I try to keep my risk low on funded account. I trade NQ only when it's conducive. Market is good in one direction. Otherwise, I try to be safe with RTY and other instruments. So now let's see what the other what we have here. So short-term pullback up. I won't say market has turned to the upside. It's making some correction. It's been going down since morning. Maybe I will put the regular chart, RTH, regular trading hours, and now you see here. So RTY in fact opened gap down, and then it's under the influence of a bearish sentiment. So it's still under the influence of this bearish channel. So I'll hesitate going long. I would rather trade contrarian short than going long here. And there's a nice big candle. So if it reaches somewhere here, I'm going to take a trade. And keep the contrarian trade on, but I want one more green bar to form before I turn it on. It's too early to take contrarian. After just right one green bar, I shouldn't short, because green bar means it's bullish. Market is bullish, even if it's one candle. Yeah. After at least 2 bars, if at all, I should think of shorting. I'm not going to turn this on yet. Maybe I need one more green bar, which may or may not happen. Default trades, I could take default trades, but here market has gone up a bit, and if it comes down, I mean default long trades. So going long is a bit risky. And going short, going default short, I can do, but for that price has to come below this green line. And now it's like, market is in this, making this boxy area. So where is the box, rectangle? So if it's just stuck in this box, we need it to clear out of that box before we can make a meaningful trade. So short is not going to work, and short contrarian, short default is not going to work. Short contrarian, I want some stretch above this box. To trade fully automatically, I can keep contrarian on and long short on. I could do that and let the software take trades on its own. And maybe I should do that and show you guys. But this is a funded account, and I didn't want to risk my funded account with any adverse move. Get this box and stretch above this box before I think of a contrarian trade. Yeah. Okay, one more bar above this box. And then I will turn contrarian short on. One more bar, close, close. Okay, now price is trying to reach this level, looks like. Okay, it turns contrarian on. Let's see if price stretches above this high, then contrarian trade will take place. If not, it won't. It's about wait for your setup. Wait for your setup. Even software waits for the right setup. Our job is to turn this long or short on or stop. Stop is also a valid trade. Option. When things are not in your favor, stop the trade. Here it's reaching the high, this high, some resistance here. In fact, this setup is not, after a pullback, if it's becoming green, that's not the time to take a short trade. That's time to take a long trade. So now I will turn this on, though it's kind of risky. Here I see market is trying to reach some higher level of liquidity. So should I take a trade? I should not take a trade. That's the question. Market is trying to reach higher.
Order filled.
All right, trade was taken. Okay, market is stretching higher. Is it going to go against me? Let's see. In that case, I may have to scale in. Right, it touched a 233 SMA of 30-second chart and now coming down.
Target filled.
Target fill. See, this is amazing, is it not? It just touched the 233 SMA. This line you see, it's 233 SMA, river of life. Even on 30-second chart, it worked. Touched, kissed it, and returned from there. It's like animal going to watering hole, filling itself and moving away from it to perfection. So that's the reason I was kind of waiting for market to stretch. Even though there is a 233 SMA on this 200 tick chart, this red line that you see is 233 SMA. It did not respect it well, but it respected the 30-second 233 SMA. 233 SMA on 30-second chart. So now what should I do? Market is trying to stretch, trying to go up. So maybe it has grabbed the liquidity, stretched itself, and next has to go down from here till at this 21 SMA. So I could take contrarian trade, but only if it clears above this this line now. So it's possible that market is trying to reach this high, day high, to grab liquidity. So I want it to clear clearly from here, from that high. Bar clearly closed above. It's respecting FVG. Let's see what FVG I have here. Oh, 10-minute FVG I have. Same direction, impulse move. Let me try apply this. So I enabled, that's a gap up FVG. Basically gap up FVG. Okay, I missed. No problem, that's okay. I wasn't. See here, if I turned the short button on, it would have taken a trade here. So just to, so software can take trades. It would have taken trade here, 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 here it had taken, here it could have taken. So it's your discretion. You want the software to take all trades, or you only when you think it's high probability. High probability means it has stretched, overstretched. So that's what I'm doing. Even though his software could have taken trades here, maybe would have given me profit as well. But I wait. I add my own extra layer of discretion. Question is, shall I continue to short, or because I'm going against this short-term trend? I'm going trading short because the overall market sentiment is bearish, but the short-term trend is bullish. So I missed a trade here while I was looking at this chart, but that's okay. No, it's consolidating here. It just consolidates and then stretches, consolidates, stretches. So goal is not to trade in the consolidation zone. It's like market condition number 4. Those who have attended my webinar, they are familiar with market condition number 4. To learn about market condition number 4, you can watch one of my previous webinars. You can find them on YouTube. YouTube channel is Sliver Bullet Trading System. Look for youtube.com/@Sliver Bullet Trading System, all in one word. So Okay, maybe here the bar closes green, I will turn the short button on again. All right. These dots indicate that it could have taken a short trade.
Order submitted. Order filled.
So one more short trade here. Market continues to stretch to the upside.
Target filled.
All right. One more profitable trade. So this is the perfect example of how to trade contrarian. Here market touched the day's high, and guys, contrarian trade comes with its own risk, but I took this risk because I was going against a bearish market. It was a bullish market. I wouldn't have bullish sentiment. Like from here, market has been falling down all the way. So in this market, I was okay trading contrarian. In this market, I was okay taking contrarian trades. When the market was trending up. But if it is a bullish market, I wouldn't have taken contrarian trade when the market was going up. So here I expect market to turn around now. It has grabbed the liquidity it wanted to. See from here, from the day high, it grabbed the liquidity and turned. So I could expect some. This time I can take default short trades. It's okay to do that. It will take time, before it has to come down below 21 SMA, and some other condition has to be met before we can take default trades. So right away we cannot switch to default again. If those who are our members, they have a cheat sheet. They know they have to wait for some kind. If market comes down, goes back up, they can start taking trades then. So while trading live, I think I took 2 trades. Is it 2 trades only? I thought I had taken more. I thought I had taken 3 trades at least. Right. So these were taken before live session, I believe. So I thought I took 3 trades total. But whatever. While being live, I mean. Okay, so market has pulled back. So maybe I'll keep this default strategy on. Even then, in today's market, default, I may not do default. I should still trade contrarian. This market is in this zone where 233 and 21 SMA are kind of intermingled. Let's see in 2-minute chart how it looks. Okay, it's a 2-minute chart indicates bearish sentiment. So market is stalling. It's 10 o'clock, guys. It's market tends to slow down, and we are usually done with trading by this time. I'm getting on these sessions because I want to do some live trading and teach my members. But guys, this is how you trade. I started at around 9:22, and in about 40 minutes, $220. So, and trust me, if I'd let the software take trades, it would have taken one. It took here. What strategy was it? It was contrarian, and 2, 3. It could have taken here 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'll consider all three a bunch to as one trade. 8 trades. 8 trades you would have gotten $40, $322. But I used some discretion, so I did not take all trades. I took only 5 trades out of possible 8 trades. I don't keep these buttons on, without supervision. I turn them on only when I think high probability setup is going to come. But when you are new, you can definitely keep this on and see how it works. What trades were good trades, what trades were not good trades, and then how to avoid bad trades, all that. You will learn by trading. You learn by observing the market, but you learn more by trading, not just observing. So So default trade will take place only after a pullback. So, and we need a nice pullback. So I will wait for a pullback to happen, then decide if the pullback is till 21 SMA. I will take default trade. So let me show you something. Fibonacci retracement. If I try to, what happened? Fibonacci retracement. Trying to show you if there is a pullback, what would be considered a good pullback. Yeah, if it pulls back to this 50% line, which is also coinciding with this 21 SMA, then it's a good pullback. But market is going down. I could have shoot, guys. In explaining, I'm missing stuff. Was it a trade? Was there a trade? Yeah, there was a trade. I missed a default trade here. See, there's a dot here. There's a dot here. Market did not pull back. It just took the trade. So so that's what happens while teaching. I miss trades because I don't keep the buttons on for it to take trades automatically, particularly because I'm trading a funded account. Don't want to take any risk. And hopefully I'll get one more account funded tomorrow. This Bullnox account, I have $862 more to trade on this account, to get on this account. Maybe I will try my luck with that. Try to get one trade here. So I will turn this on. 42. Okay. I want to pull back. Without a pullback, if I trade, could get some heat. Okay, there is some pullback here. So this is another chart. I have just opened 100-tick chart, and I'm trading an account which is very close to getting passed. It's an evaluation account. So today is the 4th day of this account. So I must trade 5 days to be able to pass, at least 5 days. The trade is coming, risk of 17 ticks, now 12 ticks, 11 ticks. So when is it going
Order
to happen?
submitted.
Yeah, order has been placed.
Order filled.
Order has been placed. Let me set the tick counter here. Tick counter. Panel 2. That way I know. So trade was taken. Market has to come down before else. Okay. So market stretched here. So it's this pullback is not enough. That's why it's going back up. Let's keep this 42 on, right? Okay. Now chart trader hidden. All right.
Target filled.
Target filled. $35. It's after commissions. This evaluation account, I set it up to calculate after commissions. So $35, and so I am about 128 short. So hopefully between today tomorrow, I expect to pass, unless I do something bad with it. So in the next, if I passed, in the next session, I will show you the PNL of this account for each day. So from that, you guys can understand It's possible to pass an evaluation in 5 days. So now the trend seems to be over here. It's such a nice, beautiful trend here. So here I don't see it. The market came down. Then it's so let's use Fibonacci. I started to use Fibonacci a little more than usual. So the pullback was to this 65% level. Okay. So it's a perfect pullback to the golden zone, and then it's a 65% level. Now market is trying to see, market reacted to that 65% level. And these are advanced stuff, guys. You can, in the beginning, if you're a beginner, don't worry about all this. You'll slowly learn as I trade more and show you more. But in the beginning, when you're new, keep it simple. These are some advanced stuff. If anybody is interested in how I do Fibonacci, what I'm doing, just send me a message and I will try to do a session for you guys just on Fibonacci. So this reaction was at 55% level. I want to change the percentages. I don't know how to change the percentage. Price level opacity. Okay. I thought there is a way to change the percentages here. I don't find one. All right. So again, it's close to 65% of this leg. So I expect it to react from there, and I will strategically place a churn scalper trade here. Or maybe I should do contrarian at 65%. Okay. So this is about knowing high probability zones. It's all about high probability zones, and this software automates trading from high probability zones, because once you turn on, you don't have to click a button. It will take trade when the setup is ready. This 61.8%, little higher would be 65%, and that's the place I would like to short. And I can do that by either going contrarian or wait for market to return in a super scalper mode. I can take trade as well. I would prefer contrarian here. Okay, it's coming contrarian. Yes, please. Okay, return contrarian on.
Order
All
filled.
right, trade has been taken.
Target filled.
Perfect. Perfect, guys. So it reacted to 65% level again. Here it reacted to 65% level. Now it reacted to 65% level, made a big bar here, a big red bar. This is beautiful. This is Fibonacci is such a beautiful tool. So $71. So I'm what, under 100? Yeah, it's 908. If I go up to 5,300, sorry, 5,000, 53,000, 53,000, I will pass the evaluation. So today, funded account 220, evaluation account 84. And that too, not at the prime of the market. Like it started 8:37 or something for my first trade here. So 8:20, 9:22, 9:22 is when I started. So $300 of profit overall, and hope this was a good learning session for you all. So including everything, I would call it 220 there, and is it 220? 220, and here 70. So to turn the pen on. So I'm ending my session. It's enough. Hey guys, not a whole lot. It's not $1,000 day, but all these matter. $291 in 60 minutes. So from 9:22 till 10:24-ish, 60 minutes. With just one contract, one RTY, one RTY contract. So good day, more than profit. I wanted you guys to understand how to trade, how it works. I could have turned these buttons on and let the software take trades automatically, but I never advertise this software as automated bot that will run without supervision. This is the classic example of why supervision is necessary, how I do it, how you should also do it. Without supervision also it can make money, but it can lose money also big time. So so maybe 10% of the time it will lose money big time, but even then, even you need to avoid that 10%. That's when it's works well. That's when it's a business, not gambling. Thank you very much for watching the video. I appreciate your attention. And for any questions, call us at 331-255-3656 or email us at info@slivertrades.com. Visit our website www.slivertrades.com and register for the free webinar. The next one is on this Thursday, 9:30 a.m. with the super Thanksgiving sale. The biggest sale this year. So join us there. The link to the webinar is on our website. Hope to see some new faces on the webinar. Thank you very much. Bye now.